Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Sigma sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a Sigma symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So here there will be uppercase and lowercase Sigma symbol. I'm just going to show both how to insert. So if you are just going to insert the insert option, there is no option to insert the Sigma symbol. So we just going to do a keyboard shortcut. The alt key we're just going to use our alt key. So the alt key was alt key, which means on the keyboard. So and the code was 228, and this alt key for this was 229. This is how the capital and the small sigma can be inserted. So first of all, press the alt key and type 228 on your keyboard and leave the alt key. It automatically create the sigma symbol. Press the alt key, type 228 and leave the key. So this is how you just create the sigma symbol. The next type of sigma symbol, I just type same process. Press the alt key, type 229. Press the alt key, type 229. Press the alt key, 229. So this is how you just create a sigma symbol with a keyboard shortcut on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.